Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I used the NYX Wonder Stick, the Duo Pencil and the Wavy Glow Highlighter. So in case you're interested in knowing, then please keep on watching. I'm going to first begin with using the Wonder Stick in the shade Medium Tan, and I'm drawing this line right along the hollows of my cheeks, and then I'm just going to buff it away with the help of a beauty sponge. Also, I was actually aiming at a very soft contoured look, so it's not going to be really too much. It's just going to be very subtle and just enough to lift up the entire face. I'm going to go ahead and contour my jawline using the same product, and then I'm just buffing it away and kind of creating a very soft shadow along the jawline. Once we are done with that, I'm going to go ahead and contour the nose with the help of this Duo pencil. I'm drawing these lines almost parallel right from the inner corner of my eyebrow to the tip of my nose. This will help me create a sharper looking nose and even slimmer once we highlight the center of that. And I'm going to blend it away and again soften that. You guys know the drill. Once we are done with that, I'm going to go ahead and use the highlighter from the Wonder Stick, and I'm just applying it right in the middle, just creating that slimmer looking nose. I also wanted to highlight a little bit in the center of the forehead, and that's why I went ahead and did that. I'm then going to go ahead and use this blush in the shade Hamptons. I'm applying it onto the apples of my cheeks and also a little bit along the contour lines, and any remaining product I'm just going to brush it along my jawline. Now I'm going to go ahead and highlight my face using this liquid highlighter in the shade 06 Daytime Halo. I'm just kind of dotting it along right from the high points of my cheek to the temple area, and as you can see, I'm also blending it at the same time with the help of my finger. Once we are done with that, I'm going to go ahead and apply the same highlighter on the brow bone as well. This liquid lipstick is in the shade Seduction, and once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and apply the same highlighter on my collarbones just to add a bit of sheen and finish the entire look using the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. That, you guys, is pretty much the entire look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys soon in my next one. Bye!